Hello and welcome to this how to add a signature to your prints video tutorial. I'm Ali Jennings and I'll be showing you how to convert a scanned image of your signature into a custom brush. Now this is very easy to do, but the first thing you have to do is obviously to scan your signature. Now the best idea is to get quite a thick black marker, create your signature, get that scanned in and then open it up within Photoshop. Now this being one of Ed's pictures, what I've done is got Ed sign a piece of paper and I've just scanned in his signature that you'll see here. Now once that's been done, I want to convert that into a custom brush. Now before I start, I just want to reduce the size of the signature and I want it to be a width of about 800 pixels. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the crop tool, shortcut for that is just C, and then I just want to clear all of the custom dimensions that are within the crop tool options. So if I go up to aspect ratio first of all and just click no restriction, and then I'm going to use the crop tool just to crop in and around the signature itself. So I'm giving it a little bit of space on the top and the two sides, and once I'm happy just click the tick button. Now that I've done that, I want to just reduce the size of the image down to a width of about 800 pixels. That just keeps the image size small and means that the brush is a lot quicker and easier to use within Photoshop. So if I go to Image, Resize and Image Size, I want to just make sure I've got Constrain Proportions ticked. I just want to make sure that that's at 72, but then in the width I'm just going to type in 800. Now if I click OK, that's reduced the image size to a width of 800. With that done, all I now need to do is just to clean up the image, just to make it nice and clean and ready for brush conversion. So I'm going to just use levels to do that, and it's very quick. If you just go Control L or Option L, and that'll bring up the levels dialog window. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just set the black point. So I'm going to click into the actual signature itself, then select the white pipette and click onto the white background. And there we can see already it's cleaned up quite nicely. But if I just look down here at the bottom, we can actually see there's a little bit of texture still going on there. So if I just click onto the white point slider, hold down Alt, and I can just see the clipping as I clip into those highlight areas. And we can now see that that area that had a little bit of texture left in it is now clean. So once we're happy with that, we can just click OK, and there we have our signature ready for turning into a brush. So brush conversion is very quick and easy, and all we need to do is just go up to Edit, click Define Brush, give the brush a name, so I've just called it Ed's Signature, click OK, and our brush is now ready to use. So if I go back, open up the picture of the model, select the brush tool, go up to my brush options. Now if I just scroll right down to the bottom, number 753, and click, I can now see I've got Ed's signature. As with any other brush tool, I can just use the left and right bracket tools just to increase or decrease the size. And also if I want to just change the colour of that brush, I can just go straight over to the colour palette, select any colour I like, and that'll apply it to the image. And all I need to do to actually apply that to the picture is just left click once, and you'll suddenly see it appearing down there on the right hand side. So very quick and easy to create your own signature that you can use on any picture. And the great thing about that is that once it's stored within your brushes, it'll be there to use in future images whenever you need. So that's very simply how to create your own custom signature brush that you can then apply to any image you like.